Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Solana. Your daily update, of course. We'll talk about everything you need to know. First of all, I mean, just in general, Solana right now is very dependent on Bitcoin, right? We saw some altcoin strength over the course of the last 16 hours or so that's great. And for Solana, that's also great because we actually managed to break back above this level between 150 and 145. And that's what we talked about yesterday as well, is that, you know, if we actually want to reclaim a certain level to be bullish again on the short term, and at least be neutral and at least be stable and perhaps consolidate, then we need to break above that level. So purely technically, we're actually getting some decent bullish confirmation here. But there's more to the story, all right? So let's just do a full update. First of all, if you look at the fundamentals, Solana is doing pretty bad. I mean, the total value locked has dropped down quite a bit. DEX volumes are okay. Daily transactions, daily active addresses are okay as well. But then what's most important, I think, is that Solana is getting pretty close to releasing some sort of a network update that hopefully should fix a part of the problem they have right now in the trend in the fail percentage, because the fail percentage at this point of time, it's not as bad as it was, but it's still very much 50-50 with some spikes towards, you know, more fails than successes in terms of transactions, which I think is unforgivable. All right, so fundamentally, an update coming out, that's pretty bullish. I'm not sure whether that will have a major effect, but it is something you should know. All right, what I think is most important right now is very much what Bitcoin does. All right, it's Monday. We've gotten a pretty good start of the week, and Bitcoin looks pretty good right here. But we need to get some confirmation. All right, we need to get some more bullish confirmation from Bitcoin. We need to get some more bullish confirmation for Solana in order for us to know that this is real. All right, because if we talk about the circumstances right now compared to last week, it will seem like we're super bearish. All right, even though if you really zoom in, what you'll see, for example, also for Solana, is that sure, we've been very bearish for the last couple of days, but right now we are seeing some recovery. You can see, for example, right here, that the open interest is starting to make some sort of an uptrend right here, which in general is good. All right, that means more positions are being opened. And if you look at the CVD right here, so that's the cumulative volume delta, you can see that most of the positions being opened on Solana right now are long positions. So that's pretty good. But even though that's the case, that obviously caused this move up. But now we have to get some confirmation that we can actually hold this. Because in the end, if you just talk about the technicals, we just hit the 28 EMA right here, and we have not broken above that. Which usually, if the EMAs are above the price, that actually means that we are technically still bearish. So the main thing that I'm looking for, I would say, is some sort of a confirmation that we can stay on top of this level right here between 145 and 150. That's the main thing. And to be completely honest with you, if you look at Solana right now, and you know what's going on with Bitcoin, that's enough, all right? Because Solana at this point of time is correlated for 96% to Bitcoin. So that means that Solana moves together with Bitcoin extremely, it's extremely sensitive to what Bitcoin is doing. So the thing I would do is look at Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is able to break above 66,700, or if Bitcoin is able to hold 65,100, so that's either break above the current resistance or hold the current support, Solana will hold up. So for Solana, that equates to 148 and 150. Right now we found resistance. Solana will drop down to that level right here between 150 and 148, maybe even 145. If we can hold that over the course of today while the open interest continues to go up, then we can hold these levels. We can get some more bullish momentum, but at least we can consolidate in this area, all right? Which is good. That's bullish. But if we fail to hold that, which, like I said, the best thing to do is just keep an eye on Bitcoin, because if we fail to hold that, then Solana will just drop back down. And then this was a brief recovery, but then we will continue to be bearish, which is also a possibility. All right, so keep that in mind. All right, it's very important that we hold that level, because then we actually have some strong bullish confirmation. If we don't, then this was probably just a bull trap. So check that out. Keep your eyes on that. For now, I think that's what you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. So for now, take care. and bye.